morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. All are ready for today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good student. First of
Good
all,
morning, ma'am.
good morning. I am going to unmute all of, sorry, mute all of you. I am going to take prayerful posture. Get ready for meditation. Take prayerful posture. I am watching you. How are you sitting? Okay? Take prayerful posture.
Take prayerful.
Keep your hands on your laps or join your hands. Take your comfortable. Okay? Sit in a comfortable position. Let's begin our class. Okay? Watch this small video for meditation. I am watching you.
Welcome to this short mindfulness meditation for kids. Find a place where you can sit and relax for 5 minutes. You can close your eyes now. Wow, it's quite dark here behind your eyelids. Now keep your eyes closed and imagine that you have a magic mindfulness wand floating in front of you. You can control this magic wand with your mind. Imagine that wherever you shine the light of the wand, that's where your attention goes to. Your mind may wish to think about other things, but see if you can direct it back to wherever your magic mindfulness wand is shining. Now direct the wand so it shines on your breathing. As you focus on your breathing, notice your breath as it comes in and out so easily. Just feel your body breathing in and out. Just allow any thoughts you may have to pass through your mind. Then bring your attention back to where your wand is pointing, back to your breathing. Now shine the wand down to your feet. Feel your feet as they are resting on the ground. Can you feel the energy in your feet? Notice what your toes feel like. If your mind starts to wander, just focus your attention to where the magic wand is shining on your feet. Shine the wand now on the whole middle part of your body, your chest, back, and belly. Can you feel the energy in the middle part of your body? How does your belly feel? Just notice what this area feels like. You don't have to change anything. Just let it be as it is right now. When you are ready, shine the magic wand over your whole body. How does it feel? Notice the light from the wand shining brightly over your whole body. Feel your energy in the light of the wand. Shine the magic wand inside to your feelings. Take a good look around and see inside to what is there. As you shine your wand on your feelings, what do you see? All of your feelings are welcome here. Just notice them as your wand is shining the light inside you. When you're ready, you can point your magic wand into the room where you are. Gently open your eyes. Your magic mindfulness wand can stay in your imagination for you to use anytime you wish. Well done for a wonderful meditation.
I want to tell you a small story. Listen carefully. After that, I will ask some questions. Okay? Now, Geeta wanted to select a very good birthday gift for her friend. There was a girl, her name was Geeta. She wanted to select a birthday gift for her friend. She took a lot of pain and requested her father to go with her from shop to shop. They spent many hours looking for a suitable gift. Finally, Geeta found a good book with beautiful pictures and thoughts. It was very expensive, yet she bought it because she loved her friend. She bought an expensive book for her friend. After a few days, when she went to her friend's house, she found the book with all her other belongings on the ground. The pages were torn off, pictures disfigured, and the whole book was not in good condition. She was very sad. She was hurt because her friend did not take care of her book which she gifted to her friend. Now I will ask you, if anybody will do like this, what did you feel? Write in chat box. I am going to write the few words on the board. Sad, Choose any word, one word, and write in chat box. Sad, happy, joyful, you have not to write all words. You have to write one word. How did you feel? Hatred, 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 surprise, hurt, surprise, hurt, angry, angry. What would you have felt if you were in her place? If you will be in her place, what would you feel? Right? Yes, angry. Aradhya Rajan, you will feel happy. Aradhya Rajan, Tenzil, you will feel happy when your friend will tear your the book which you have gifted her. Okay, different. All have written different words. Okay, now when someone gives us any gift, we should take care of that thing. Okay, now I am going to show a small video of a poem which you have learned in heard in KG classes. Okay, watch this small video. All of you? All of you know this poem? All of you know this poem? Okay. The stars were looking bright. Now?
Twinkle, twinkle.
Now I am going to unmute, mute all of you. I am going to mute all of you. A few years later, we may not be able to see the stars because our earth is getting polluted more and more day by day. The beautiful nature which God has given to us as a gift is destroyed. Look at this pollution, smoke. Just like Gita's gift was neglected and destroyed by her friend, everywhere we see destruction. God's beautiful creation is destroyed by various elements. Look at the picture. See the pollution, different types of pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, air pollution. Nature is the mother of all living beings. It provides so many things to fulfill our needs, But today we are suffering from pollution, which is causing diseases such as asthma, nasal irritation, headache, deafness, dysentery, etc. There is insufficient rain due to cutting of cutting down of trees. People are cutting the trees. There is not sufficient rain. We use plastic bags, which are bad for the soil. We like loud music, which will make us deaf someday. Look at the picture of loud music. It will make us deaf someday. Why do we hold our noses when vehicles give out smoke? Because of bad air. Children love to eat fast food and drink soft drinks, which will spoil their health. All garbage is not the same. Now you will see biodegradable and non-degradable. Wait. Oh, I will explain. There is some disturbance. I will explain. Not the same. Some things that have come from nature can go back to the earth. The earth absorbs it and makes it part of the soil. We call this garbage biodegradable. Suppose in kitchen, wastage of kitchen, just like we peel the vegetables, these things can use as a manure. We can at home we can dig a hole and put those things in that, and it will become manure. That is called biodegradable. And some are non-biodegradable. These things cannot be absorbed in the earth, just like plastic. These things do not get absorbed in the earth. They spoil the earth and choke it. So we should be careful about these things. Now I am going to unmute all of you. Have you understood something?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Divita,
Yes, ma'am.
why have you raised hand? Divita? Divita, listening to me? Harjot,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you want to ask?
Ma'am, what is meaning of choke?
चोक, जब आप देखते हो नाली में कुछ पॉलीथीन फंस जाते हैं तो वो रास्ता पानी निकलने के लिए बंद हो जाता है, वो होता है चोक.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, so we should not use these things. We should avoid these things, plastic, polythene bags. In place of that, we should use paper bags, cloth bags. Okay. Now, Ahana, give me the answer. How can we save our earth? Ahana?
Yes, ma'am.
How can we save our earth?
Ma'am, not waste water.
Anything else? Okay, now Shivya, give me the answer. Shivya, unmute from your.
Yes, ma'am.
How can you save environment?
Ma'am, we can save our environment by not throwing garbage on the road and
Yes.
not wasting water.
Yes.
And
Okay. Ashwik, give me. Say in one sentence, Ashwik. I am going to unmute you. Ashwik, Yes, give me the answer.
Ma'am, we can save the environment by keeping the surroundings clean.
Yes, well done. Good. Okay, now I am going to write few words, few sentences. You will read this, okay? Look at this board. It is our duty and responsibility to reduce pollution and improve our surroundings. How can we do? First of all, keep the surroundings clean. Look at this, read. Keep the surroundings clean. Number 2, use surrounding, there will be N, D-I-N-G. Number 2 is use garbage bins to collect waste. Collect waste. Number 3, grow more trees. More trees. Number 4, avoid using plastic bags. Next, do not spit in the open places. Do not spit in the open places. Next, do not play or listen to loud music. Do not play or listen to loud music. Okay, now I am going to unmute all of you. Have you understood what can we do for our mother earth?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ifat, why have you raised hand? Ifat, why have you raised hand? Anhita,
Ma'am, what is the meaning of non-biodegradable and
नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल थिंग्स होती हैं जो वी मस्ट बी व्हेन वी थ्रो देम और दे मस्ट बी कलेक्टेड सेपरेटली. वो जो चीजें प्लास्टिक वगैरह जो होता है जो अर्थ में एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होती.
मुझे एक चीज कहनी है. मुझे ये सारा कुछ हमने
जो प्लास्टिक वगैरह,
मैम ये सारा कुछ हमने नोटबुक में भी करना है.
इसको अपने माइंड में रखना है कि आप कैसे अपने अर्थ को सेव कर सकते हो. ठीक है? ओके. Now let's take a prayerful posture. There will be a small poem. Prayer. Take prayerful posture. And now I am watching you on the screen. Take prayerful posture. Everybody, join your hands. Now this time join your hand. Everybody will join. Everybody will join. Asma name is written here. Everybody will write. Not write. Join her hand. Okay. Dear God, you must be feeling sad to see the way your children are destroying your beautiful creation. You repeat after me. Oh, dear God, you must be feeling sad to see the way your children are destroying your beautiful creation. I am sorry. I too am among them. I think of my own comforts and forget the harm I do to nature. Repeat, I think of my own comforts and forget the harm I do to nature and to the other people. Take away my selfishness and give me your heart, which always thinks of others. Teach me how to love and care for your creation, this beautiful earth. Nature was created. Now, relax, relax. Prayer is over. Relax. Nature was created for our happiness. It is our duty to love and care for nature. If we spoil the earth with our carelessness, we destroy our own happiness. Now I am going to unmute all of you. Did you like today's class?
Ma'am, what is my roll number? Yes, ma'am.
Beta, roll number don't
What is
worry,
my
I will
roll
send you.
number?
Roll number I will send you later.
What is my roll number?